Tariscope Provider is a high-tech billing system for telecom operators, developed by the Ukrainian company SoftPI. For more than 25 years, the system has been continuously improved to meet the modern requirements of the telecom market. Tariscope provides complete subscriber accounting, controls delivered services and received payments, automates financial settlements with customers and partners. This ensures stable business growth, increased efficiency, and strengthened subscriber loyalty. Key advantages of Tariscope: powerful subscriber management system with the ability to divide the database into nodes and groups, creation of any number of tariff plans and services with full historical tracking, full integration with systems such as Contran, Iscratello, Cisco, Avaya, Alcatel-Lucent, Asterisk, and many others. Forecasting of charges based on subscriber models. Flexible rating, support for multiple currencies, preferential tariffs, free seconds, and more. Automatic service charging, invoice generation, receipts, and scheduled reporting. Analytics and reporting. Flexible report building interface with more than 100 report forms, easily adaptable to user needs. Fraud detection system for telephone calls. Dashboard for real-time display of all essential data. Tariscope is a convenience for subscribers. The Tariscope Personal Area provides customers with access to invoices, call history, online payment options, tariff plan changes, and document downloads. This increases transparency and trust in the operator. Workflow automation in Tariscope. The Tariscope Tasks automatically performs various tasks according to schedule: service charging, document generation, currency rate updates, backups, and more. The Tariscope API enables integration with any external telecom operator systems, such as accounting software. Tariscope is used by thousands of companies in more than 40 countries worldwide. Some Tariscope Provider users: StrataPoint USA, NWIMS IT Group, Great Britain, DSS, Kazakhstan, InfoSafe GmbH, Switzerland, Liquid Cloud Pty Ltd, South Africa, Creative Minds Ltd, Greece, and Ukra Zaiznica, Ukraine, and others. The Tariscope Provider license is perpetual, with no limits on the number of PBXs or users. It includes 1 year of warranty support with the option of extension. Tariscope Provider is a reliable tool that helps telecom operators efficiently manage services, increase profitability, and deliver high-quality customer service. Download the free version today and experience the power and flexibility of Tariscope Provider.